In front of me is INFINIX Hot 11, and let me show you how to change date and time on this phone. So at first you need to reach Settings, then find and select System, and here click on Date and Time. And you will notice here Automatic Time Zone. You can switch it off. You can also pick Network Provided Time, GPS Provided Time, or switch it off. And now you can customize everything by yourself. So let's start with date. You can go back in time. Actually, we went to a future. Then let's set the hour and also time zone. And that's it. This is how you can manage date and time. Whenever you would like to go back to default setup to automatic one, just mark those switchers. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.